We've just acquired this absolutely lovely looking, lovely colour Jaguar XC 2-litre diesel R Sport. Got the rear privacy glass, it's got parking sensors, reverse camera, twin exhausts, R Sport body styling kit. Boot area is in lovely condition. Carpet mats, lovely contrasting blue and black leather seats. Really look at that, striking against the colour of the car. Electric windows, electric mirrors, fully loaded inside. Got cruise control, onboard computer, satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, different ways of driving it with driving styles, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats. Really is value for money. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.